Every journey begins with meticulous care, nurturing the future. Our journey begins in vibrant tropical fields. Witness the start of an amazing transformation.
These roots are ready, perfect for the highest quality flower.
Careful pruning directs energy to the roots, maximizing yield.
Each root is harvested with care, ensuring its integrity from the very beginning.
From the fields, roots are transported swiftly, maintaining peak freshness. Logistical precision ensures rapid transport, preserving the cassava's quality.
Healthy soil is the foundation. We ensure optimal growing conditions.
The journey culminates here, at our state-of-the-art processing facility.
Within 24 hours, fresh roots arrive, ready for transformation.
Every batch is meticulously weighed, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. The first step, moving mountains of cassava towards purification.
Advanced peelers precisely remove the skin, revealing pure, edible core.
Each root undergoes rigorous washing, ensuring ultimate purity. Powerful scrubbers remove all impurities, preparing the roots perfectly.
Cleanliness is paramount. Every root must meet our strict standards.
Witness the root's rapid transformation into a pristine, starchy pulp. The freshly ground pulp collects, ready for the crucial pressing stage.
Now, the crucial high-temperature drying phase begins, ensuring stability and safety. Precise temperature control, reaching 145 degrees Celsius, guarantees safety and quality.
Pressure builds, extracting moisture to create pure cassava starch. The cassava cake is perfectly dense, ready for optimal drying. Every drop of water is meticulously removed, concentrating the pure starch. The dense cassava cakes emerge, perfectly formed and ready for drying. These dense cakes now enter the high-temperature dryers for complete moisture removal.
Visual inspection is crucial for consistent drying. It's almost perfect. Inside, controlled heat ensures every cake dries evenly and completely.
From intense heat emerges perfectly dried, pure cassava flava flakes.
Cooled and pristine, the flakes are now ready for milling into flour. Now, the dried flakes enter the mills, transforming into incredibly fine flour.
Observe the incredible fineness, a testament to our precision milling.
Even finer purification through sifting ensures only the purest flour remains.
A sample for analysis. Purity is our ultimate guarantee.
Under the microscope, we verify the absolute purity of every grain.
Data confirms exceptional purity. 0 contaminants detected.
A seamless blend of nature and technology, crafting excellence. Roots into a consistent, fine pulp.
Moisture content is critical. Our flour is perfectly dry for optimal shelf life. The aroma and texture. Every package undergoes a final, rigorous inspection for perfection. Automated scanning verifies every detail, ensuring flawless product information. A consistent flow of pulp accumulates, awaiting critical pressing. Inside the mill, flakes are pulverized into the finest, purest flour. Moisture reduced to 15%, ideal for efficient, high-temperature drying. Handling with care ensures even drying and optimal flour quality. Through precise drying tunnels, moisture is eliminated, ensuring long shelf life. The cakes emerge perfectly dried, ready to be milled into fine flour.
The finest cassava flour collects, a pure, gluten-free alternative.
Multi-stage sifting ensures unparalleled purity and a silky smooth texture. Visual inspection on the light table ensures no impurities remain.
Critical safety is paramount. Cyanide levels are meticulously tested and confirmed undetectable.
Continuous agitation ensures consistent pulp, essential for optimal pressing. Uniform cakes emerge, a testament to our precise hydraulic pressing. Precise temperature ensures rapid, safe drying and cyanide removal.
Perfectly dry, perfectly textured, ready for milling into flour.
The dried flakes now enter the powerful mills, beginning their final transformation. Every particle is precisely refined, ensuring unparalleled smoothness and purity. Our flour achieves an exceptional fineness, ensuring perfect texture. Precise measurements ensure every batch meets our stringent purity standards. Results confirm exceptional purity. Data logs are updated meticulously.
Empty bags enter the line, ready for precise, automated filling.
Our iconic label is precisely applied, signifying premium quality. Every detail, including shelf life, is meticulously printed for consumer confidence. Automated precision ensures secure, efficient palletizing for global logistics. Every product moves swiftly, efficiently, through our state-of-the-art logistics.
Our flour travels worldwide, reaching major cities and your local stores.
Always a popular choice. Our customers love this gluten-free flour.
Finally found it. This is simply the best gluten-free flour.
The perfect foundation for countless culinary creations, from sweet to savory.
From humble roots to gourmet delights, experience the magic of cassava flour.
Cassava flour opens a world of gluten-free possibilities for everyone.